how to do the Rubik's Cube from this scenario. So you got 3 there, and you got 3 there, and you got 3 in the middle. You only need all the corners are in the right place. Right, just a quick check. So you need just to any one of these, because you won't. There's not another one there. Look, there's not another one. There's not another one there, so that shouldn't give you 2 corners. And there's not another one there, so either one of those 2, or as long as you've got a base colour. Yeah. Give you a W, right? Which gives you a T, right? Which gives you the 1 corner. Which gives you the H. That's as far as I got.